Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to search for apps on iPhone. Finding apps on your iPhone is quick and easy using search or the app library. These built-in features help you locate installed apps without having to scroll through every home screen page. Follow these steps to search for apps on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the middle of the home screen to open the search. Tap the search field at the top of the screen. Type the name of the app you're looking for. Watch the search results appear as you type. Tap the app and the search results to open it. If you don't know the full app name, type part of the name to narrow the results. If you don't find the app, return to the home screen. Swipe left through all your home screen pages until you reach the app library. Tap the search bar at the top of the app library. Browse the alphabetical list of installed apps if needed. Tap the app you want to open, and if the app isn't installed, open the App Store and search for it there. Add frequently used apps to your home screen or dock for quicker access in the future. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.